today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email on Doordash. Verifying your email is a quick but important step that helps secure your account and ensures you receive order updates, receipts, and important notifications without delays. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, along with simple tips to make the process smooth on both mobile and desktop. Start by heading to the inbox of the email address you used when you signed up. Look for a new message from Doordash. These messages typically arrive within a few seconds, but give it a moment if it doesn't show up right away. If your email sorts messages into tabs like primary, updates, or promotions, take a quick glance at those sections too. Keeping your inbox refreshed for a few seconds can also help the new email appear. Once you see the message from Doordash, open it. Inside, you'll find a 6-digit verification code. Read it carefully so you don't mix up similar looking characters like 0 and the letter O. If you're on your phone, tap and hold the code to copy it. On a computer, highlight the 6 digits and use copy. Make sure you copy only the numbers without any spaces before or after so it pastes cleanly. Now, return to the Doordash app or website where you were prompted for the code. Tap into the code field and paste the 6 digits, or type them in carefully if you prefer not to paste. Double check each number before you continue. If you switched apps, it's normal for the screen to reload. Just wait a moment and the code box should reappear. Entering the code exactly as shown is the key step here. As soon as the correct code is entered, the system will accept it and confirm that your email is verified. You may see a success message or be taken to the next screen automatically. That confirmation means your address is officially verified and ready to receive all communication connected to your account. If you don't see the email in your main inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Automated messages can sometimes be filtered there by mistake. You can also use your email's search bar to look for the sender name or the word's verification code to surface it faster. When you find the message, open it and follow the same steps to copy and enter the 6-digit code. And that's it. You checked your inbox, opened the message, copied the 6-digit code, entered it back in the app or website, and your email was verified once the code was accepted. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to continue using your account with confidence.